Hi, today I'm for the Nokia G22 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and enter in the search pool the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes, I agree, pick close, then tap to OK on the left down corner. And now we can see here that the temperature of our device battery is 28.9 and 2 degrees. So here we got also more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.